Hey, what's up YouTube? ZBA Bayside here, and I went from my amp rack box to an amp rack that you could use that is inexpensive. I'm using 1-inch wood screws, using 2x4 or like 1/2-inch plyboard sheet. I wanted to switch out my amp rack box, and that's everything I used. Used tack glue to hold it together, and then I pre-drilled the holes. Didn't really like the amp rack box, so I would have did a video on how I did it, but couldn't hold the camera and do it all. This is how I thought it out. There's the amp. Those little holes are gonna be in here. The wires are gonna be tacked down to this, not with glue or anything, just so none of the wires aren't touching each other. Still gotta figure out what I'm gonna use, but that's how I thought it out. Like, it's kind of similar to the amp rack box. Got the amp rack right here, amp, bass enhancer, and the voltmeter. But I couldn't really figure out how I was going to do the voltmeter part, so I measured it and then made it into one part. But yeah, the paint is weighing down the metal support sheet because it's two pieces, so there were longboard plywood sheets, and I couldn't make one whole one, so I used two separate ones.